Farm Business Resilience program reaches out to farmers really, whether it's webinars or workshops or even discussion groups.
The program that we've facilitated here is focused more on up-and-coming farm business managers and focuses on upskilling them in business management topics, some being numbers, some being people focused, but ultimately at the end of it they've had a crack at doing their own thing with their own numbers and they've started that journey of creating a plan and putting some of this stuff into practice, which is great.
I think the key takeaway is probably what we're just discussing now is the values. Every business has a different asset, a different size, different family members. I've been looking for a template to just go bang and do it. And I understand through this now that we have to take in all the information, put our values together and culture of your business. We're running a very successful, profitable farming business, but it appears that we're not succeeding necessarily in the happiness point of view. That's probably a bigger challenge for us.
When you do training and you do it as part of a team, it's always going to be way more effective than doing it as an individual, particularly when you're looking at things like developing team culture and developing roles and responsibilities and getting alignment on our strategy or talking about succession planning. The workshop space actually provides that opportunity to have that conversation and to start it and to start making some inroads and getting some feedback on it from others as well. So yeah, pretty valuable to have a team involved.
I'd strongly recommend this program because if you're a bit younger you might be thinking like it's not even my farm yet, so there's no point even starting, but I think the sooner you started to think about it, like it might be all overwhelming to start off with, but if you make a start, it all happens pretty quick. My oldest son's 12, I'd like to get the farm a bit more profitable so there could be a future in it for him if he wants to.
I would definitely recommend the program to others, really to be able to quarantine that time, I think, to take yourself out of the business, put yourself in a setting with other people.
In terms of the course and what's been put forward, 100% would recommend it. If you had to employ the experts to get this information, it would cost you a lot more time and money. To be able to bring this together in the format, it's excellent. It absolutely ticks all the boxes.